Monday, everybody. It's Monday as we love Mondays. I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now. I'm not really sure which topic I want to talk about because there's so many topics flowing in my head today, and it's definitely hard. I know I've committed to making a video every single day, but soon, if you guys give me permission, I'm gonna want to take 1 or 2 days off just so I can kind of regroup my thoughts and actually kind of decide which topics I want to make videos on. I know a couple of you in the comments, you guys wanted me to do the videos on intentional growth that I really want to do. And then I have to start working on my obesity code videos. So the 20 chapters that I'm going to go through one by one and explain what the chapter's about and kind of break down a chapter summary of the book. So there's a lot of things that I want to do, and today I'm going to do another super short video just so I don't kind of give up on you guys, because I want to make these videos every day for you. But again, if I spend more time on these videos, I'm going to put out better content, and I'm just putting this video out there since it's my self-discipline kicking in. I committed to making these videos, so I have to make these videos. But again, I really want to make good quality videos. So if you guys give me permission, maybe tomorrow I might skip tomorrow's video and start doing the check-in points at maybe day 10, day 14, day 21, but let me know because I know you guys need the support and I still have to do the live video. So there's so many things going on in my head, and I know I've just rambled on for the past 5 minutes. But today I'm gonna do a really quick video to show you guys my goal binder. So this is just something that obviously my channel is a lot about weight loss and goal setting and mental reprogramming, but a lot of that mental reprogramming actually comes with fixing different aspects of your life. So it's not only the weight part of your life, because the weight part of our lives actually ties in with a lot of other things even though we're not aware of it. So it's possible that something's triggering you, because I want people to heal themselves from within and realizing what the issues are in order for them to move past the obstacles that life throws at them. So obviously a lot of the weight loss actually ties in with different things in your life that are bothering you. Maybe you've dealt with a loss, maybe you have some problems at work, maybe you have some toxic friends that are bothering you. There's so many different things that could be happening right now. Maybe you're fighting with your kids, maybe you're fighting with your parents, maybe there's things going on at school, in your relationship. There's different things in life, and you can never really know what someone's going through because everybody's dealing with their own challenges. And that's why you need to take it with a grain of salt when people react a certain way to you in certain situations, because you know that they're dealing with their own monsters and their own demons, and they're dealing with their own problems every single day. And that's why I believe that you need to be so kind with people, because you never really know in that particular moment what they're dealing with, because all of us are dealing with something. Now that being said, since I'm not really sure what to talk about today, I kind of wanted to give you guys a little breakdown of what I call my goal binder. So it's something that I put a lot of energy once in a while because I really want to write down my goals and kind of know what direction and what path I'm heading in my life. So it's right here. It's called my goal binder. I just keep it in a little black binder. Now I'll show you what this is. It's where I write down all my goals. So obviously goals are something difficult because you set too many goals and then you feel overwhelmed. So I've actually found these sheets, hold on, let me find it, that I've been doing this since about 2016, and it's helped me develop a lot in my life. And that's why I feel like to a certain extent I've been blessed with doing the research and being mentored by certain people, and I want to pass the information on to you guys so you guys can use these tools to better your lives in every aspect, whether it's just the health aspect, the weight loss aspect, or if it comes to your career success, building a business, your relationship success, whatever it is, this is something that could apply. So I have these handouts that I've been using for many years now. I'm gonna explain it to you. You actually have your goal action form. So at the top here, you write what your goal is, and then here you write the purpose of your goal. So what will this goal contribute to your life, and why is this goal important? And then in order to make the goal less overwhelming, you have to break it down into action steps. So let's say, for example, that your goal is to lose weight. Let's just use a very common example because that's kind of what we're all working on right now. So your number one action step would be do research and figure out a plan to lose weight. Because number one is making a plan to know how you're gonna actually go about losing that weight. So that's number one, do the research, make a plan, number one. Then number two, maybe you can make some sort of vision board. So if that's an action step that's gonna help you get to your goal, then number two can be create a vision board for my goals. So that could be number two. Then number three can be, hey, watch one personal development video per day, or watch one video about weight loss and health per day, or watch 1 hour of fasting motivation per day. So just break down your goals into action steps. That's the way you're gonna get there. Another portion of this goal setting page is the investment. So whether it's an amount of time that you want to invest in this, so let's say for your weight loss, you want to invest like 1 year into it. So you put 1 year. Or let's say, for example, something else. You want to invest in something because you're starting a business. Then you kind of write down your investment or how much you need to invest in it in order to get to that goal. So let's say for weight loss, it's not a race. We need to be very patient with ourselves because we're not competing against anyone. There's no need to lose 40 pounds in 5 minutes because it's not realistic. And we want to do this in a slow, sustainable way so we can keep it off forever. So in that case, maybe the time investment that it takes to actually focus on the weight loss goal is you can set yourself a 6-month deadline, a 1-year deadline, a 1.5-year deadline. Just realize that it's not a race. Even if you're only losing like 2 pounds a month over the course of 12 months, that turns into 24 pounds a year. And that's still a lot of progress. So don't be discouraged with losing weight so fast because it's not a race. And we've had the weight on us for a while, so it's going to take a while to take it off. And if you start stressing yourself about how fast you want to lose the weight, it's not really realistic. You don't need to cause that much stress on yourself. Just take it easy, breathe, and realize that your goal can take some time and it's a work in progress every single day. So if you have a good day, you have a bad day, you have another couple good days, then you have a bad day. You don't have to be so upset about your bad day because again, it's not a race. We're doing this slowly. So that's the time investment. Give yourself enough time to actually get to your goal, knowing that there's going to be fluctuations, knowing that there are going to be obstacles, and knowing that this is not a race. So that's something that you can put there. And then another thing is that you could put your goal completion date. So even if you want to do mini milestones here, if you want to break down your goal into the first goal is to lose 10 pounds, second goal is to lose 20 pounds, third goal is to lose 30 pounds, and kind of put some rough deadlines on this side about when you would like to achieve those goals, that's going to help a lot. So this is something that I've been using for years. If you guys want access to this, I'm going to upload it on my Patreon. I've been using this for a while. Whether it's just about the weight loss topic or just overall, I want to help you guys kind of achieve more self-actualization and try to get to a point where you're happy with yourselves. And I know weight loss is a big part of that, but reprogramming your mind in general is a big part of that as well. And that's what I'm going to be doing a lot of coaching on my channel, because I've had the honor to learn these things from other people and to take notes and really try to make it work and get myself out of that depression that I really used to feel a while ago. And I want to help you guys with that. So these are some of the components that it takes in order to really put the bigger picture together and put all these aspects of your life together to really start feeling like you're okay with your life and you feel good about yourself. So that's what I want to do on my channel. I know a couple of you guys are already supporting me on Patreon, and that means a lot to me. And I'm trying to come up with all these new tools for you guys, like the forum. And I hope you guys are using the forum because I worked hard to build that one. And there's a lot of tools on there. I know a lot of you guys don't have Facebook, so that's something I want you guys to actually go actively use, because journaling, whether it's journaling about your weight loss or journaling about other goals, it's something really, really important in your lives to actually put all the thoughts on paper, get the goals out on paper, because unless you're writing it down, it's not concrete. It's just a bunch of ideas floating around your head. So I really highly recommend you go on waterfastingforum.com, and there's a section for the daily journal, so you could put things that are unrelated to water fasting as well. You could put stuff related to OMAD. You could put stuff related to your life. It's just really a place where people who are in the fasting community have an outlet to go express themselves and talk about their thoughts and journal how they're feeling every day. So that's kind of my idea when I created that. I also have my website that I've been saying I'm going to launch for a while, but I just need to keep adding all the content. It's almost ready. So that's going to be coming out soon as well. I'm coming up with this positive affirmations journal that I want to give you guys as well as kind of like an ebook. So you can write down your positive affirmations every day and answer a couple questions so we can do some sort of gratitude journal. So there's a lot of things coming, but I'm running out of time and there's things that I want to be doing. So I need to take a break from these videos once in a while in order to really produce better content for you guys. So those are just a couple things I wanted to talk about. If you guys want a copy of this, message me or I'll put it on the Patreon. So if you guys are on my Patreon, you can kind of unlock these cool bonus features that I'm going to be adding there. I also uploaded my food journal, which is like a blank OMAD journal, because usually if you go online and you check for food journals, it's always like breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. And since most of us in this community are not doing 5 meals a day, then I made it kind of an OMAD journal. I'm gonna be uploading something for macros too if you guys wanna try keto. So there's a lot of things coming at you guys. And today I just wanted to kind of do a little recap video on all the things that I'm gonna be launching soon. And I'm gonna try really bringing out some new amazing content. Some of these videos are hard once in a while because I wanna make a video, but I have to brainstorm about what topic to make sure that I'm providing value for you guys. So this is one of those days where the video is kind of about nothing, but I still wanted to do that check-in with you guys, so you could put your check-in down below for day 9. If you guys did a refeed, that's totally fine. It's just an ongoing process. So whether it's day 9 of your water fast or day 9 of your journey, there's so many different combinations in the world, but I'm happy you guys are still following, because even if you're here, it means that you're continuing with the journey just by checking in here. So put down below what you're up to. I want to hear it. I want to hear what day you're on. I want to hear if you're refeeding. I want to hear if you're OMADing. That's a verb now, OMADing. But this is what I'm gonna post for today. I hope it's not too mumbo jumbo. I hope it's not too much rambling, but I just wanted to put something out there and be honest with you guys that I'm pretty tired today, so I'm not putting out any amazing content. But I will make the video about intentional growth soon. I will make another proper video about goal setting if you guys are interested about this stuff. And I will start uploading more videos about how to track OMAD and how to be successful with OMAD, whether it's keto OMAD or just regular OMAD. So I hope you guys like this little short video. Again, it's short and sweet, and I'm just trying to get some points out there. If you guys want to support me, just head over to patreon.com/fastforwardtohealth, and I'm going to try to upload some more cool stuff on Patreon for you guys. I'm also working on some cool swag that I want to launch soon, so stay tuned for that. So many ideas coming. I just wanted to tell you guys what to expect and where we're heading with this stuff. So I hope you guys had a great day. I know it's Monday. Monday's a tricky day. Maybe you're feeling down. Maybe you're feeling happy. But I hope you have a great day all in all. So I'll see you guys next time. I'm going to take a break soon, but I wanted to check in for day 9. Happy fasting.